For today's movement break or exercise snack, our focus is on balance. Feel free to be close to a sturdy chair or a wall or a countertop. You can have your hand on your support the whole time or put your hand down and take it off. The first objective is to be safe. We're getting some movement into our day. So standing nice and tall, let's think about core engaged, pulling the belly button in slightly, lift the chest, crown of the head to the ceiling. We're going to start with the right leg, tap forward, side, and back. So we're going to start with hands on hips, tap the foot forward, side, and back. So we're nice and sturdy on the other foot. And then we'll add some arm moves. So as the foot taps forward, we can reach the arms forward, foot to the side, arms to the side, foot back, reach the arms back. So just let your arms follow the foot moves. In addition to focusing on balance, we're just getting this movement into our day, which is really great for our overall health. We don't have to have an hour workout or a half hour or 20-minute workout to have health benefits. Let's go one more time each way. And then we'll go to the other foot. So we'll start just with the foot. Hands can be back on hips. And we're tapping forward, side, and back. Forward, side, and back. And let's add those arm moves, reaching forward, out to the side, reaching back. Keep that going. So if you prefer one hand on your support for this one, just move the outside arm. Let's go a couple more times through. All right, we're going to come back to the right foot, and you can either have your hands clasped, hands on hips. We're now just going to tap forward and back. So we're starting with taps, and then we're going to lift the foot. So it's tap forward, tap back. Just going forward and back. Again, the supporting leg, our left leg, just really feeling the weight into the foot there. Now in a moment, we're going to make this into a swinging leg. So you could start with your hand on your support, and then instead of tapping forward, tapping back, just go to a swinging leg. Swing forward, swing back. And you can play around with lifting and lowering your hand while you're just swinging that leg. We're solid on the left foot. You might do a few swings just with your hand lifted. So just see what feels right for you. We're just challenging our balance safely, which will improve our balance. Let's do a couple more swings. And then foot comes down, and you can just stay where you are. We're going to go now to the left foot, and we're tapping forward, tapping back. So start with those taps. And then we're going to switch to, let's do one more tap each way, and then we'll switch to swinging legs. So you could start with your hand on your support, get into those swings, play around with your hand, lift and lower, maybe lift it for a few swings or keep it lowered the whole time. You're still working on balance. Always checking in what works for you. And we'll do a couple more swings. And foot comes down, shake it out. We're going back to the right leg, so get solid onto your left foot. And we're now going to tap across midline. So bring that foot slightly forward, tapping here, and then cross midline and tap, and tap, and tap. Either hand on support, hands on hips. And we're going to go into swinging leg. So just start with your hand on your support, lift that leg out in front of you, cross midline, just swinging back and forth, crossing midline, and again, play around. If you're lifting and lowering your hand, focusing on one spot across the room or on the floor, just use your vision to help with balance. A couple more swings. Nice work. And we're going to left foot. We start with tapping. So bring that foot slightly forward, cross midline, tap. And then we're going to get into those swings. So we're lifting the foot and crossing midline. And playing around with your hand. Finding that spot to focus on. Couple more. Awesome work. We'll finish this movement break just with some arm circles out to the side. And in order to challenge our balance while we're doing that, we can either just bring the feet a little closer together, more narrow base of support. And you could also have one foot in front of the other to even have even more narrow base of support. So see what works for you in terms of your spacing of your feet, and then arms out to a T, and we'll just do some little circles here. Change direction. Pause your arms, and we're going to switch our feet around if you have one in front of the other. And then coming back to your arms to a T and little circles. Change direction. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice work. Let's roll the shoulders up, back, and down 2 more times. And great work adding some movement into your day, improving balance. I'm so glad you joined me, and I'll see you next time.